Hello everyone, welcome to Manmaker. I am Ranjan Kumar and today we are going to talk about BL Apprenticeship. As you know, BL will release for every year. Every year, in a year, two times they will release apprenticeship program for BTech people, diploma people and graduate people also. So we'll see in a details how they are going to take exam, what is the exam pattern, how is the syllabus and how you are going to prepare for this exam. Everything we are going to discuss today. Okay. For PDF and more updates, you can join our Telegram channel and WhatsApp group is there. You can join this both of this. Here I am sharing my class notification, job notification, study material, everything you will get this in this two channel. So in description link is there. You can join from there. All right. And now you can access any kind of course from the Manmaker app, which is available in the Play Store. Okay. And same thing you can access from the manmaker.in also, that website. Okay, so first of all, for this apprenticeship program, in the apprenticeship program, generally they will take for BTech people. Okay, BTech people who have done BTech or normal graduate people who have done BCom, BSc, like that. Graduate people they will do this program, and for the diploma people. Okay, for the diploma people they will take this apprenticeship. Sometime they will hire for ITI also, ITI people also. For so generally this will be for your they will take 6 months to 1 year. The program will be like that. And the thing is, once you will be joined as a apprenticeship, then what kind of benefit you will get after joining of this one internship. Once you will successful complete this program, whatever program, like if they will reach for 6 months or 1 year, if you will complete that program, after that you are going to some internal exam will be there. After that you will assign as a trainee engineer post. Okay, uh, PE post, that is trainee engineer. Then you will be trainee engineer post, you will be promoted as a trainee engineer after completion of this apprenticeship. And once you will complete this trainee engineer, after that you will get PE means project engineer. You will be promoted as a project engineer. So apprenticeship is for 1 year. After that TE for 3 year, then project engineer for 4 year, like that. So you have this much things you will get once you will be selected as a apprenticeship, as you joined as a apprenticeship. After that there is a chance like you will get TE also and PE also. So like that benefit is there of apprenticeship. And salary means stipend is also good in that apprenticeship for BL. Okay, so for the apprenticeship program, selection process will be like that. They will take written exam and document verification is there. So same day this will happen, your written exam also and document verification also. Okay, so whatever generally this is a walk-in selection, they will do apprenticeship time. Means in a single day they will conduct written test also, and same day they will check your daily what document, whatever document they will tell to bring, they will check that one, and your joining and everything will be over on same day. Okay, so selection process is based on written test and document verification. And this written test they are going to take OMR based. Okay, they will give you one location, whatever unit they will, like if they will take for Bangalore unit or Machilipatnam unit or Ghaziabad unit or Pune unit, whatever unit it is there. So if they are taking apprenticeship program for Bangalore unit or Machilipatnam unit, means whatever unit they are going to take, they will call there only for the exam. Suppose if it is Machilipatnam, then you have to go Machilipatnam for exam and all. Okay, so whatever unit apprenticeship is going on, they will call you there only. Okay, so recently they like apprenticeship is going on Machilipatnam unit. So it is on 28 April. Machilipatnam unit apprenticeship program, they are going to select people on, means walk-in is there on 28 April. So location is, venue is in Machilipatnam only. Okay, so what you will get in OMR based exam will be there. You need to do a tick mark. It's a offline exam, not CBT. Okay, so here you will get 100 question. In 100 question, two things will be there. Generally for this apprenticeship program, two pattern is there. First one is 100 question and another one is 85 question. Okay, so in this 100 question you will get 30 question from general aptitude. General aptitude means you will get GKGS question, basic English question, and aptitude and reasoning question Total 30 question they are going to ask for that non-technical section. Okay, and 70 question you will get technical. Technical means whatever branch yours, either you are from electronics, computer, electrical, civil, mechanical, whatever it is. So 70 question they are going to ask question from your branch. Okay, and that will be a basic question. Theoretical question they will ask, not that much hard and all. Theoretical question, basic question you will get here only. Okay, so this is the first pattern. Either they will ask 100 question. If they are going to ask 100 question, in that you will get 30 question general aptitude and 70 question technical question. And another pattern is 85 question. They will ask only 85 question, that will be pure technical. Technical means related to your branch. Only from your branch they are going to ask 85%. Okay. So two pattern is there. Either in two pattern you will get one pattern in the exam. Okay. So for that you will get 90 minutes, 90 minutes means 1.5 hour, and for each question you will get 1 mark. So total 100 marks question is there. If 100 question is there, 100 marks. If 85 question is there, 85 marks you will get for the exam. And there will be no negative marking for this. No negative marking will be there. So you need to just do this thing. This much you need to cover, means 100% you need to prepare. And for qualification, for qualifying this exam, for qualifying this exam you need to get 40% and above marks. Okay, 40% and above marks you need to get for the selection apprenticeship program. Okay, at least you need to go out of 100 you 40 or 45 plus. If you get, then your selection will be there. Okay, so this is the pattern, exam pattern and selection process for the BL apprenticeship program. Now how you are going to prepare and all, what is the syllabus and all, everything you will get in the app, that is your the Mann Maker app. You will get this thing in the Play Store. Same thing you can access from mannmaker.in. Those who are iPhone people, so you can visit mannmaker.in. So here whatever branch is there, just go to, after download this app you will get one section, all course. In all course, go to all course. There according to your branch, check this one. If you are for BTech people, for BTech people you need to following trainee engineer. Okay, trainee engineer is there. So trainee engineer, it is also for freshers, and your apprenticeship you are also freshers. So syllabus is same as a trainee engineer, and question level is also same as a trainee engineer. Okay, and for diploma people you will find this thing, non-executive exam. Non-executive exam is basically for diploma people. So syllabus is same for this also. Okay, so you will find in the all course, these things are there. According to your branch, you check here, branch is mentioned for yours. Okay, so here you will get technical, non-technical, both you will get, means complete things you will get. Here in ebook is there. In the ebook you will find a syllabus, what chapter, what subject they are going to ask in the exam, and subject wise notes is there, key point is there related to your exam only, and subject wise MCQ and answer is there, that you, means question and answer is there in the details that you need to cover. Okay, after that you will get 500 important technical question. 500 technical question you will get, that is important and expected question. That question and detailed answer is there, that you need to cover. Okay, in 500 section you will get 5 set, each set having 100 question, that you need to cover. And general aptitude question is also there, you need to cover general aptitude section. General aptitude means reasoning, English, and GKGS and all, whatever they are going to ask, that thing is there. Previous year question means this is related to like trainee engineer question paper is there, that is not no need to check. And if you have time, if you complete this thing, once you try to solve this previous year paper also. And full test, mock test is also there, means test series is also there. So if you complete these all the things, and some video classes is there in the YouTube. In the YouTube, if you go, BL trainee engineer or trainee engineer playlist is there, that you need to cover. BL EAT playlist is there, EAT for diploma people, so that you need to cover. If you have time, you can prepare that from the video classes also, and this notes also. So this much is enough for your apprenticeship program. Okay, so everything you will get here. Just go to app and download this one, check from there. You will get syllabus, questions, everything you will get there. practice this one. That much is enough for your apprenticeship program. Okay. Okay then. That is the thing. All right. And further, if I will, is there anything is there? I will update you. Okay. All right then. If you like the video, just hit like on the button. Kindly share with your friends. And if you not subscribed my channel till now, just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay. Thank you.